Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to add custom icons to Divi modules using an easy image-based method with Divi Booster. This approach allows you to upload your own icons, such as client logos or custom graphics, without needing to create a custom icon font. Let's dive in. Divi Booster makes it incredibly simple to add custom image icons to your Divi modules. Instead of creating a full icon font set, which can be time-consuming and complicated, this method allows you to upload individual icons directly. If you're working with a smaller number of custom logos or graphics, this direct image upload approach is much faster and easier to manage. Once you've uploaded the icons in Divi Booster, they'll appear in Divi's module icon picker, ready to be reused across any supported modules. To get started, you'll need to install Divi Booster. This tool adds a site-wide feature for custom icons, allowing you to upload image icons and reuse them in supported Divi modules. The process eliminates the need for custom CSS or generating web fonts and works seamlessly with both Divi 5 and Divi 4. Once you've installed and activated Divi Booster, the custom icon controls will appear in its settings page, ready for you to start uploading your own icons. To enable custom icons in Divi Booster, start by opening your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Divi, Divi Booster, and click on Site-Wide Settings. From there, open the Icons section. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Add Custom Icons for use in modules. Enable this option to activate the Custom Icons feature. Once enabled, the upload controls for adding your own icons will become visible, allowing you to start adding your custom icon images. To upload your custom icon image, start by clicking the plus icon in the Custom Icons setting. This lets you either upload a new image or select an existing one from your WordPress media library. Divi Booster works with images stored in the media library, and most formats supported by WordPress will work here. For the best results, use SVG or transparent PNG files, as these tend to create cleaner, more polished icons. Other formats like JPG or WebP can also be used, but may not work as well for icon-style graphics. If you decide to upload an SVG icon, you'll need to enable SVG uploads first, because WordPress doesn't support them by default. A free plugin like SVG Support is a great option to add this functionality. Once you've chosen or uploaded your icon, it will show up in the Custom Icon setting ready for use. To add more custom icons, simply click the plus icon again and select another image from your WordPress media library. If you need to remove an icon, hover over the existing icon and click the trash can icon that appears. You can also add an icon by URL. To do this, close the media library pop-up and paste the icon's URL into the provided field below the icon. This gives you flexibility when managing your custom icons. Once you've added your custom icons, don't forget to save the Divi Booster settings. This step ensures your icons are added to the supported Divi module icon lists. Depending on the versions of Divi and Divi Booster you're using, you might find your custom icons appearing near the start of the icon picker instead of the end. To use your custom icon in a Divi module, begin by opening the Divi Builder and navigating to the module where you want the icon to appear. For instance, let's say you're working with a blurb module. Open the module settings, go to the Content tab, and click on Image and Icon. Here, enable the Use Icon option to activate the icon picker. Once the picker is open, simply select your custom icon from the list. Keep in mind that the exact steps might vary slightly depending on the module, but the general process is the same. Open the settings, locate the icon picker, and choose your uploaded custom icon. This allows you to seamlessly integrate your custom design into supported modules. When styling your custom icons in Divi, it's important to remember that these are image-based icons, not font icons. This distinction means they'll behave a little differently from Divi's built-in icons. In most modules, you can easily adjust the size and placement of your icons using Divi's design settings. Background styles should also work as expected, as long as your icon image has the right transparency and spacing. However, one key limitation is color. Unlike font icons, which can change color dynamically, Image-based icons will retain the colors they're uploaded with. To ensure the best results, consider these tips. Use SVG files whenever possible for sharp scaling. If SVG isn't an option, opt for transparent PNG files. Avoid using files like JPG for simple icons, especially if transparency is needed. Crop your icons tightly to eliminate any unnecessary spacing. Maintain a consistent canvas size for all the icons in the same set. Finally, upload your icon in the exact color you want displayed, or upload separate versions of the same icon if you need it in multiple colors. These adjustments will help keep your custom icons visually consistent and polished across your site. Once you've selected your custom icon in a Divi module, make sure to save the module and the page. After saving, exit the Visual Builder and check the front end of your site to confirm the icon appears in the intended module. If the icon is visible in the Visual Builder but not on the live site, you might need to clear your caching. This includes any caching plugins, Divi's static CSS cache, server cache, or your CDN cache. Once cleared, reload the page, and your custom icon should display correctly. If your custom icons aren't showing up in the Divi icon picker or on the front end of your site, there are a few things to check. First, ensure that Divi Booster is installed, activated, and updated. Also, confirm that the Add Custom Icons for Use in Modules feature is enabled in the Divi Booster settings under Site-Wide Settings, Icons. Make sure you save the settings after uploading your icon, and double-check that you're using a module that supports Divi's standard icon picker. Custom icons might also appear near the start of the icon list with newer versions of Divi or Divi Booster, so be sure to look there. If issues persist, clear all relevant caches. This includes WordPress, Divi static CSS server, or CDN caches. For SVG icons, verify that SVG uploads are enabled. Lastly, check your icon's format. While JPG files might work, they lack transparency, which could impact the icon's appearance. For more detailed troubleshooting steps, refer to the accompanying post. Once you've added custom icons to Divi's module icon lists, there are a variety of ways you can further customize your site with icons. If you're looking to add icons to specific areas, like social media modules, tab titles, accordion sections, or even your header or footer, I've linked helpful guides in the accompanying post to walk you through these processes. Here are answers to some common questions about adding custom icons to Divi. First, yes, you can add custom icons to Divi without creating an icon font. Divi Booster makes this possible by allowing you to upload image icons directly through WordPress. Once uploaded and saved in the settings, these icons can be selected from the module icon picker. This feature works with both Divi 5 and Divi 4. If your icons aren't showing up after updating, ensure you're using the latest version of Divi Booster and clear any caches. It's also not limited to SVG icons. Divi Booster supports any image formats allowed in WordPress, though SVG and transparent PNGs are recommended for the cleanest results. Finally, if you only need to add a few project or client-specific icons, uploading them as image icons is the easiest approach. Creating an icon font is better suited for larger icon libraries, but it requires additional setup. For more details, check out the full guide in the accompanying post. To wrap things up, adding custom icons to your Divi modules is an effective way to create more branded and tailored designs while also making your icons reusable across your site. By using Divi Booster, you can easily upload your own image icons through WordPress and access them in supported Divi module icon lists. For the best results, aim to use SVG or transparent PNG formats whenever possible, though other WordPress-supported formats may also work. If there's another area in Divi where you'd like to use a custom icon, whether it's a specific module, menu item, button, header, or even a third-party module, feel free to let me know and I'll do my best to assist.